But if I want to buy games in Steam or download a free games, I need to click Store. In a store page we see an ads like Games.com, slider with games, and if you want to download a free game, in the left menu you need to find a free-to-play category. Browse by genre, free-to-play. Click on it. In the top of the page I also see an ad. Scrolling down and I see free-to-play games. So all games on this page is free, like Path of Exile, New Genesis, Ava, Multiversus and other games, Destiny, Brawlhalla, I'm Lab, Smite. So I scrolling down again when I see 4 tabs, new trends and top sellers, what's been played, upcoming. I can download all these games. We see a button free to play. I can free to play in all of these games, but for be honest, many of these games we don't know. Many of these games are on the language I don't understand. Maybe this is Chinese or Japanese, but some of these games I already have been seeing, like Guild Wars 2. In the beginning of this video I was talking about popular games, and if you want to play in the best games of the free games in Steam, you need to click on Top Sellers tab. Click, and what we see: Apex Legends, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Destiny 2, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, War Thunder, Ava Global, Smite, Dota 2, Warframe, Guild Wars, Team Fortress, Multiversus, Path of Exile, Phantasy Star, I don't know this game, Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel. Also, you can download the games by tag, like Indie, Action, Adventure, 2D, RPG, Simulation, PvP, 3D, Strategy, Multiplayer, Single Player or Casual. What if I want to install Destiny 2? Click on it, and when the page was loaded I see screenshots from the game. I need to scroll on down and I can see buttons: Play Destiny 2, Play Game, Destiny 2 Lightfall, this is a paid version of game it need to buy, and Destiny 2 The Witch Queen. For this game I need to pay too, but I can play just Destiny 2 for free. Click on green button, Play Game. And firstly I will install this game. You see a pop-up window, Install Destiny 2. If I click Next and Install, I will create a desktop shortcut, create a start menu shortcut, disk space required 94 GB, disk space available 300 and more, and choose location for install. Location for install is drive D. D program files Steam. Click Next. I can choose a language. I agree. And that's all. I will install a Destiny 2 on my PC. When the game will be installed, I can play in it. So, thank you for watching this video. Put like, write comment and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.